Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, it was a highly requested video that I should do a skincare routine, and I don't know if you know this or not, but from the past 20 to 25 days I've been following an all natural DIY skincare routine. So this routine involves 5 steps. All the ingredients are straight from the kitchen, they're all organic, they're chemical free and absolutely safe to use because they're all kitchen ingredients. So yeah, and your skin will feel so nice after using these ingredients, and you will actually be very stress-free that you're not using any chemicals or any harsh products on your face. So yeah, it's a really simple DIY skincare routine which I do every day. So follow this and let me know if you have any feedback or any questions in the comment section below. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. For the face cleanser, I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix this well and gently massage this mixture on the face for 2 minutes. The milk helps in skin brightening and cleaning the skin, while the rice flour gently removes dead skin cells and honey has moisturizing properties. For a face scrub, all you need is some brown sugar and glycerin in equal portions. This is an awesome face scrub to get smoother and softer skin. It can also be used as a lip scrub. Use it gently and remember to not over exfoliate. One of my favorite ways to pamper myself at home is with the DIY face mask with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon in it. Mix it and apply it and let it stay for 20 minutes before rinsing. Cocoa powder can help fight sun damage and provide anti-aging benefits. Yogurt fights blemishes and also shrinks the appearance of larger pores, and lemon is a great bleaching agent. For a face toner, I love using rose water. It's very hydrating and helps in tightening the pores and gently tones the skin. For a face cream, I like to keep it very simple and effective, so I take the aloe vera gel and mix argan oil in it. Argan oil is great for dry skin and uneven skin tone and also helps in anti-aging. It can also be used as an under eye cream. So that's it for this video. Do try this DIY skincare routine and let me know your experience. And I hope you learned something new. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.